Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngisacela kuwe-ke nje la ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingaphuthi lezi ndaba ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona namhlanje sithi-ke sekuvele-ke enye into-ke laphana-ke omunye-ke usisi-ke ojwayele-ke ukuhlaziya-ke ipolitiki usevele-ke wenza-ke enye-ke ividiyo-ke waveza-ke okungaziwa-ke laphana nge-M_K-ke nangabantu-ke abazo-replace-ke labantu-ke abawu-18 abaxoshiwe-ke kwi-M_K waveza-ke okuningi-ke laphana engingafuni ukuthi-ke wakuzwa ngami phela nje into enza nje ngizodlala-ke le vidiyo lena-ke yakhe lo sisi-ke uzizwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina-ke sengicabula lapha sike masuzwile-ke le vidiyo leyo ungene ema-comment section for usho umbono wakho-ke ukuthi na ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese ucindezela ibhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingaphuthi lezi ndaba ongenzayo njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Nayo-ke le vidiyo-ke awuyithokozele.
So someone commented and said if they're not performing, they should be fired and replaced by those who are going to work. And then some people are commenting in the comment section that when you're speaking negative about MK, wara. Niyadika yazi ninicho ngamachanda apha. Yintoni ndithethe negative and I'm just posting what's happening. Anyway, guys, I've got a scoop for you. I've got a list of people, like of the people that they're being replaced with, and apparently one is the daughter of the chief whip. I forgot now his name. Is the daughter of that guy who's a chief whip, and apparently she has never worked a day in her life and she gets to be an MP. I don't know how true that is, I just heard. And then I've got a clip of Untlamulo explaining what's happening, and it's very, very shaky. It's not giving at all, but I'm gonna let you be the judge of that. And I also have another clip of Dr. Shop. Apparently now he's the DP. I don't know how true that is as well. Let me attach these things so that you can see for yourself, because there's opinion it. Awifuni MK, you are against us. You nebor. And then there's this thing that says that Dr. Shop is now the deputy president. So I'm not sure how true that is, if he is the deputy president. When was he elected? But anyway, if he's not the deputy president, who is the deputy president? I'm gonna leave that as a question mark because there's opinionity, an attack. And then I wanna attach the list for you. This is the list of the people that are a replacement in parliament, or the surname of that person is Ngubane, and the chief whip Nguntondo Ngubane. So I heard that this is his daughter Ngubani, and there's another Ngubani. I heard that one is the daughter, so who has never worked a day in her life. So I don't know. I don't know. As I said, I'm not gonna comment, because once I comment, you guys come for me. Now I'm gonna attach a clip of Ntlamulo ecaciswa kwenzeka ntoni, and let's hear.